Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify admin, secure fix step by step clearly. First, open your web browser. Type in the Shopify login page URL, which is www.shopify.com/admin. Once on the page, look for the email field. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password carefully. If you want to stay logged in on that device, check the box that says Remember Me. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Check your email for the password reset link. Once you reset your password, return to the login page. Re-enter your email and the new password you created. Click the Login button again. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, enter the code sent to your mobile device. After you log in successfully, you will access your Shopify admin dashboard. If you experience issues logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable. Double-check that you entered the correct email and password. Clear your browser cache and cookies if you encounter persistent problems. Try using a different browser or device as a last resort. If you still can't log in, reach out to Shopify support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.